Safe to say, I've got long hair. It's about 1 meter long. Now, the reason I'm showing you that is shampoo. This is the cheapest shampoo I can get. It works out at roughly, I think, 45p a bottle. In the bottom is roughly, I don't know, maybe a tenth. So you're talking roughly 4p left in that bottle. That is all you really need. Add water. You see, most of what you get in your shampoo is extras to make it smell nice, to make it look nice with the colour and the aroma. It's also thickening agents. So all you really need is just add water, give it a shake, and that is pretty much what I use as shampoo. But if you've got plants growing around, other stuff you can add. Now you could use that as is and it would do the job, no trouble at all. And there you go, plenty enough to wash your hair. So extras. What I've got growing is spearmint, which goes in there. Spearmint's kind of dying off at the moment. I think it's too much heat. So I've got indoor spearmint. Also, I've got, leaking, just picked aloe vera. Take your aloe vera, just slice it. You don't want to chop it up, you just want to slice it. And then that goes in. That's pretty much it. You want to add more stuff, you can add more stuff. Tea tree oil. A few drops of tea tree. Now if you've got dry scalp, if you've got gas heating, you will have dry skin. That's the nature of the beast. Gas has a tighter molecular structure than gas pipes. Therefore it leaks. That's just the way it works. And yeah, basically it doesn't leak enough to kill you or to set off your CO2 detectors, but it does leak enough to mess with your skin. So if you want to add something like moisturizer, add moisturizer. Vegetable oil is very good. 2 teaspoons of vegetable oil. Just give it a shake before you use it. It acts like a moisturizer. Now this one, where's my moisturizer? Do I have any moisturizer? I shall find some moisturizer. So, just a bit of moisturizer. Put a few squirts of that in there. Vegetable oil does pretty much the same job. I just happen to have moisturizer, which was given to me that I don't use for anything else. And that is it, basically. Top it up with water. See, even though there's only a small amount of shampoo in there, it's already lathering up. And that's it, job done. Which I shall be using in a bit, because my hair needs washing before I go camping. I just popped outside to get a big bucket so I can wash my hair. And I found these two on the ground. This is wild garlic bulbs. Very, very nice. Very good for your skin. So they are also going to go in my pot for a shampoo. that with the amount of lather from that, you could dilute it again, 50%. So, my shampooing cost per year, 50p? Maybe 50p? 10 times that in hair ties, but you know.